Hi everybody, we're going to start a new topic today, which is scientists and inventors. And I'm not going to be talking for a long time this time because we've all seen these sheets before. We all know what to do with them. Most of us have seen a few of them by now, especially if you've been in school since year three or before. So a very basic overview. You need to write what you know already about scientists and inventors in the first box, what you would like to know in the second box. So here you're writing questions about scientists and inventors. So for example, what what are the most important inventions we use today? How do inventors work? Who are some famous inventors in modern times? What country is or what country was something invented from or invented by. And the last box is something that we'll fill in later in the term after we've done some lessons. So, and hopefully you've learned something. So after you've done the worksheet for today, which is just the first two columns, what I know, what I want to know, if you could try and keep this somewhere safe so that we can come back to it later, that would be very useful. So I'm not going to say any more. You don't need to be bored listening to me. We've done this before. We know what to do. So good luck, and we'll see. Hopefully, you'll have some interesting questions to answer.